Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm doing a post review of the Crochet Craft Organizational Box that I got from ODYSSEY.com. And you could use this box for anything storage, but I chose to use it for some yarn that I'm using for a weaving project. So let's take a closer look. Now, first of all, I just want to say that I am very pleased with the way this turned out. It is so pretty and colorful. It is very tacky, so all of the drills adhered very nicely. And this is such a pretty little box. I love it, and I really like the colors. It's such a nice design. I had a lot of fun doing it. I can't really diamond paint for a long time because I have an injured shoulder, but it took me just a couple of days to finish this. Now, a normal person without any shoulder injuries could have this done probably within a couple of hours. So I wanted to show you how many drills that I had left over. I was quite surprised. Now, I did kit this up with the Harbor Freight containers, and I just cut the little numbers and symbols off of the package and just taped it on there. And look at all the extra drills I have left. There was only one that I used all of them. So let me see here. Yeah, I think there was one. I think there was just even a couple left of this. So I was really happy that I didn't run out of any drills and that I have a lot extra. There's some special drills that are left, and these are so pretty. I just love these. So I highly recommend you trying this little organizer from ODYSSEY.com. I'll go ahead and link that down below in case you are interested in getting one for yourself. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!